Well, 2015,
Mm.
I started making videos because ito
Yes.
nga yung explosion ng vlogging, di ba? I'm a overseas OFW ako by that time, and I'm alone. So, syempre, I've always looked at my downtime. Mahalaga yung downtime ko. I always try to like make sure na I enjoy my downtime. So, my phone ako noon, there's YouTube, and you browse to a lot of people on YouTube, and then nahanap ko, lumabas sa algo ko sila Will Dasovich, sila, sila Kong. Kong was there, but no offense. I'm a fan of him now. I'm a big fan of Kong now, but I wasn't a
Kung
fan of Kong back then. Casey Neistat, a lot of these vloggers. So I nakita ko sila, like, wow, ganda. May phone naman ako. How would I try it?